Hello everyone, this is Sean from Unitek Laser. Today is the Dragon Boat Festival in China. So, it's a holiday for us up to 3 days. No one working today. So, it's an opportunity for me to take a short video to introduce our plant quietly, slowly, and carefully. So, let me introduce our laser machines one by one. As you can see, this is a fiber laser marking machine, mainly for marking on metal and non-metal materials, like the stainless steel, carbon steel, brass, aluminum. Also, the non-metal materials like plywood, cotton, bamboo, acrylic, ABS, and other plastic materials, all no problem. You can see about 6 sets ready for shipping. And we not only make the laser marking machines, but also have the CO2 laser. As you can see, all are CO2 lasers. Small one, middle one, and bigger one, all are made by ourselves. If you have the interest or requirement for engraving and cutting on non-metal materials like the acrylic, MDF, or other plastic materials, all can be cut or engraved by this kind of laser machine, CO2 laser. This machine is very, very popular for advertising industry. So if some dealer, agent, or end user have interest in this machine, do not hesitate to contact me. Okay, it will be very helpful for both you and us to keep talking and cooperation with each other in future. Even though you don't buy the machines from us this time, no problem. I think it's an opportunity. It's a chance. Maybe someday you will come here and talk with us face to face. In our meeting room, and working here, stand here face to face. We can negotiate the details if you like it. All these machines almost finished and ready for shipping. And we have more than 200 sets laser machines, CO2 lasers, under not production yet. It's very urgent for us to keep the production as soon as we can. Over there, all are the unfinished machines, the bed frames, and over there it's a very big warehouse. As you can see, it's about 1,500 square meters. This area, all are the warehouse, bigger one, and this is a smaller one. Like the laser tubes, the chillers, laser heads, the controller, motors, belt, gears, many parts, all will be stocked here. And over there are the fresh cover of the CO2 lasers. I'm showing our plant in details, not only to show it, but also we want to try to prove who we are, what we can do, how we can finish it. So, if possible, just give me opportunity and inquiry, so don't waste your too much time. As you can see, here it's pretty big. Over there, some bed frames of the fiber laser cutting machines. Normal size like 3 by 1.5 meters. Normal size. All fiber laser machines have been delivered to seaport. So now seems it's empty. But maybe I take these videos 5 days ago. It will be very, too many machines. Here, as you can see, all are the finished plywood case. All are ready for shipping. I didn't count it. Maybe 200 or 300 sets different laser machines ready for shipping, including the fiber laser cutting machines, laser welding machines, laser cleaning machines, laser marking machines, and CO2 laser cutting and engraving machines. All machines, all are ready for shipping. So we have the big capacity and the big ability to finish mass orders. Just place the order to us. Price is not a problem. All the machines are delivered to different clients from different countries. Most of them for dealers, some of them for end users. Too many, I can't count on it. Okay, friend, almost introduced everything to you. So remember me, I'm Sean from Unitek Laser. Welcome your inquiry, your coming, your visiting in future. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.